While the estimator prepares your quote, we'd like to tell you a little more about how we work. Today you'll receive 2 quotes. The first is for your initial clean, and the second is for your ongoing service, or what we call your maintenance clean. Think of the initial clean as a deep cleaning or spring clean. During this first clean, we will do an extensive cleaning to bring the home up to your standards. For your initial clean, we charge our hourly rate. Keep in mind, the price provided today for your initial clean is an estimate based on the time it will take for 2 of our cleaning professionals to perform a deep clean of your home. Because every home is different, price will vary. That is why we take the time to create a custom cleaning plan that fits each customer's needs. After the initial clean, most of our customers prefer to have their homes cleaned every week or every other week. Please let the estimator know how often you would like your home cleaned, which will help us determine the cost of your ongoing service. We will do our best to accommodate your scheduling needs and provide you with a window of time and preferred day of the week for your clean. If something comes up and you need to reschedule your clean, please contact our office. Most of the time, we can reschedule you to a different day if needed. If you have any further questions about our process or what you can expect from Molly Maid, please ask your estimator. They are here to help.